Strategic management of healthcare technology projects is an essential component for driving digital transformation processes aligned with clinical and organizational needs. This involves not only the technical planning of solutions, but also the comprehensive analysis of their clinical, economic, and operational impact. Identifying clear objectives, assessing risks, efficiently allocating resources, and defining performance indicators allow for the structuring of viable, sustainable projects focused on measurable results. Furthermore, coordination among healthcare professionals, engineers, managers, and IT specialists ensures that the developed solutions meet criteria for quality, safety, and real-world utility in the clinical setting. On the other hand, the application of structured management methodologies facilitates continuous monitoring of each project phase, from design to implementation and final evaluation. In turn, the adoption of agile frameworks, technology governance models, and international standards promotes interoperability, scalability, and adaptation to changing contexts. Likewise, monitoring clinical and operational indicators allows for process optimization, improved patient experience, and strengthened data-driven decision-making. In short, rigorous and strategic management not only consolidates successful technological projects, but also contributes to building more efficient, innovative health systems focused on quality care.